The function g is defined for each positive 3-digit integer x by g of x equals to 3 to the power a times 5 to the power b times 7 to the power c, where a, b, and c are the hundreds, tens, and units digit of x, respectively. If p and q are 3-digit positive integers such that g of p equals 63 times g of q, then what is the value of p minus q? Okay. Now this problem seems very confusing at first, so let's try some values. It says that x is a 3-digit integer. Okay, so let x be, for example, 249. Okay, so g evaluated in 249 would give me 3 to the power a, which it says that is the hundreds, so 2 times 5 to the power b, which it says is the tens, in this case it's 4, and 7 to the power c, which in this case would be the units, 9. So if x is a 3-digit integer, all of the digits of x are the exponents of 3, 5, and 7. Okay, that's it. Now, they're telling me that g of p equals 63 times g of q. Let's assume that p is, let's not call it ABC, D, E, F, and q is G, H, I. Okay, two different 3-digit integers. Now let's put them in the equation. It says g of p. In this case, g of p would be 3 to the power d times 5 to the power e times 7 to the power f equals 63. Now 63 in prime factorization is, well, this is 19.7. 3 squared times 7 times g of q. G of q would be 3 to the power g times 5 to the power h times 7 to the power I. Now I can add these two. This would be 3 to the power g plus 2 times 5 to the power h times 7 to the power I plus 1. Now since they are the same, that must mean that the exponents of the prime numbers must be the same, right? So what it's telling me is that d is g plus 2. G plus 2. And remember that d is the hundredths digit. So if the hundredths digit of p is 2 greater than the hundredths digit of g, that really translates into a difference of 200. Okay? And the same goes for the units. Okay? The tens are the same. G is equal to E. The tens are the same. Let's write it down anyway. E is equal to H. F is I plus 1. Now, since the units digit of P is the same as the unit digit of Q, but plus 1, we're talking about a difference of 200 here, 0 here, and 1 here. The difference would be 201. Okay, and that would be my answer, because when you subtract them, P is going to be greater than Q by 201. That is letter D.